This drink has an interesting name. It's called Glitter and Trash, but it's really a very basic cocktail. It involves gin, vodka, and 7-Up. Not much to it. Let's get going. We're going to take our highball glass, we want to fill it with ice, and we're just going to build this drink straight into the cocktail glass. Now, I guess I could take a guess at where Glitter and Trash came from. Maybe this guy had a really good quality gin and a very lousy vodka, because primarily you're going to use gin with just a splash of the vodka. So let's get going. We're going to use a nice 2-ounce pour for our gin on this cocktail. And that looks a little dirty. Let's use a clean jigger here. This is a jigger, which is good for pouring, measuring out your pours. 1 ounce on one side and a 1/2 ounce on another. If you have pour spouts, you can learn to free pour. I use a 1 count for 1/4 ounce. But if you don't have any pour spouts, a jigger definitely comes in handy. And now we're just going to give a little splash of vodka. A little splash, little splash. Bigger splash. There we go. Big splash. And then we're going to finish it off with some 7-Up, Sprite, lemon lime soda, whatever you might have. Let's take a look at that. So your basic cocktail right there. Nice and refreshing. Yeah, we can even add a little lime to that. Let's get a lot of lime out here. Doink. Throw in a little sip sticks. And there you go. Glitter and Trash. Enjoy.